What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen rotation not working issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting, if you are still facing the screen rotation issue, then open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for sensor test. Now install this sensor test app and then tap on open, and then test for accelerometer. Now if you don't know how to test, then you can tap on this question mark and from here read the instructions to test the accelerometer. So you can tilt your screen, and if the ball is following the tilt, it means your sensor is working properly. But if the ball is not moving with your tilt, it means there is a issue with your sensor. So if the sensor is not working, then you have to repair your sensor, otherwise reset network settings of your phone to fix this issue. So for that, open settings, tap on more connectivity options, then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, and then tap on reset settings to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your network settings, and after that the screen rotation issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen rotation issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.